Italy, a country where history whispers from ancient ruins. Art blooms in every corner, and nature sings through rolling hills and coastlines. From the floating city of Venice to the eternal charm of Rome, from the sun-drenched Amalfi Coast to the cultural heart of Florence and the peaceful vineyards of Tuscany, Italy invites you to a journey of beauty, passion, and wonder. Stay with us till the end to discover a secret hilltop town that most tourists have never heard of. Historical wonders. Let's begin in Rome, the Eternal City. Standing in the Colosseum, you can almost hear the echoes of gladiators and roaring crowds from over 2,000 years ago. Just a short walk away, the Roman Forum reveals the remnants of what was once the center of Roman civilization. And no visit to Rome is complete without Vatican City. Home to the Sistine Chapel and St. Peter's Basilica, spiritual masterpieces that inspire millions. Next, we head north to Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. Here, Michelangelo's David stands in breathtaking perfection, and the Uffizi Gallery houses works by Botticelli and Da Vinci. Florence isn't just a city. It's a living museum where every street corner whispers stories of genius. Did you know the Pantheon in Rome has been standing for over 2,000 years? And its dome remains the largest unreinforced concrete dome in the world? Let's take a ride along the Amalfi Coast, where cliffside villages cling dramatically to the mountains, overlooking turquoise waters. Imagine rolling hills blanketed in golden wheat, rows of cypress trees, sun-soaked vineyards, sleepy villages where time seems to pause. Every curve of the coastal road reveals a postcard-perfect view. In each town, Positano, Ravello, Amalfi, has its own charm, and pizza. It's a source of pride, especially in Naples, where it all began. Italian design, whether in cars, clothing, or architecture, carries a legacy of elegance. Don't forget to treat yourself to creamy, colorful gelato, the perfect way to cool down in the Italian sun. And every evening brings a passeggiata, a gentle walk through the town square where life flows slowly and meaningfully. Natural beauty and landscape. Italy's beauty isn't just carved in stone, it thrives in its landscapes. In central Italy, Tuscany opens up like a dream. Often called the dying town due to its eroding cliffs, it remains timelessly beautiful and haunting. Its quiet villages, elegant villas, and reflective waters have drawn poets and movie stars alike. Far to the north rise the majestic Dolomites, part of the Italian Alps, with jagged peaks, alpine meadows, and endless hiking trails. They're a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Tuscany isn't just a place, it's a painting come to life, with golden fields and sleepy hill towns that take you back in time, unique culture and lifestyle, skip tourist traps, and dine at local trattorias, where you'll find authentic dishes at better prices. Consider getting city passes that offer access to multiple museums and public transport. A great value for culture lovers. Italy lives through its people, its art, and of course, its food. Pasta isn't just food here, it's a ritual, handmade, slow-cooked, and bursting with flavor. During these months, you'll enjoy mild weather, blooming flowers, and fewer crowds. Art isn't confined to galleries. It's in the fashion houses of Milan, the mosaics of Ravenna, and the frescoed ceilings of ancient churches. And then there's the lifestyle. In Italy, coffee is enjoyed standing at a cafe bar. Family lunches stretch for hours. In Italy, life isn't rushed. People sip their coffee slowly, laugh loudly, and live every moment with passion. Hidden gems and local secrets. Every bridge leads to discovery. Quiet squares, hidden churches, and artisan shops echoing the soul of centuries past. Here, traditional recipes are sacred, and fresh pasta like tortellini or tagliatelle are handmade daily. Its sleek skyline contrasts with the Gothic majesty of the Milan Cathedral, a forest of marble spires reaching into the sky. Beyond the big cities and famous landmarks lie Italy's best-kept secrets. Civita di Bagnoregio, a fairy tale town perched atop a volcanic hill, connected to the world by a single narrow bridge. And each journey, a chance to fall in love again. Alberobello in southern Italy stuns visitors with its truly houses white. Round structures with conical roofs that look like something out of a fantasy tale. Capra's cliffs rise dramatically from the sea. Elba hides Napoleonic tales among its coastal trails. And let's not forget the serene charm of Lake Como, nestled in the foothills of the Alps. Most tourists miss Civita di Bagnoregio, a magical medieval town perched on a cliff, reachable only by footbridge. From the ancient ruins of Agrigento to the volcanic peaks of Mount Etna, it's a land of contrasts and legends. Travel tips and best time to visit planning your Italian adventure? Here are a few tips to make it unforgettable. The best times to visit are spring and fall. Looking to save money? Travel by train? Italy's rail system is affordable and scenic. Skip the summer crowds. Spring brings blooming landscapes, fewer tourists, and cheaper stays. Italy is more than a destination. It's a feeling, a memory, a masterpiece waiting to be explored. Which Italian city do you dream of visiting? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Our next adventure takes you to the magical lands of Greece. End extended journey through Italy's highlights, but why stop there? Let's dive deeper into Italy's regions. In the north, Milan stands tall as a capital of fashion and finance. Nearby lies Verona, the city of Romeo and Juliet, where lovers still visit Juliet's balcony and leave heartfelt notes on the courtyard walls. Further east, Venice floats in a dreamlike state. Canals instead of streets, gondolas instead of taxis. Travel south and you'll meet Bologna, the food capital of Italy. Naples is chaotic, passionate, and utterly alive. Its street life, fiery cuisine, and views of Mount Vesuvius make it a sensory explosion. And if you're looking for something wild and untamed, Sicily welcomes you with open arms. Italy's islands each tell their own story. Sardinia's beaches rival the Caribbean. Each region has a soul. Each city, a unique rhythm. So pack your bags, charge your camera, and let Italy steal your heart, one breathtaking moment at a time. Until the next adventure.